Okay, dokes. 2 hours later, it is now 10 o'clock. We're still in the same spot. This is Breë Street in Paris, downtown Paris. And let me tell you, in 2 hours' time, whew, amazing what goes down. What goes down in Paris. So I'm going to just take you for another quick walk down right there to Water Street, corner of Water and Breë to go visit In Style. Now, for those of you who do not know, In Style is also a very nice uh, little complex. I would say a little mall type of thing. Lots of shops inside, but don't stick to In Style. To get the experience, you have to visit Breë. You have to visit Paris. You have to experience it. You have to walk the walk.